From above, it looks less like a building and more like a continent of steel. A hangar so vast it could swallow 10 football fields. That's how the world's biggest military aircraft hangar looks from above. Or stack the Statue of Liberty inside with room to spare. This is the world's biggest military aircraft hangar, an engineering marvel built to house machines that define modern air superiority. And today we're stepping inside a fortress of aviation power that few have ever seen. Here the giants rest, aircraft like the C-5 Galaxy, the largest military transport in the US arsenal, or the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber with its bat-like silhouette. These machines don't just fit inside, they rely on this space for critical maintenance, upgrades, and mission readiness. But size isn't the only story here. The challenge lies in the movement of these massive planes in and out of the hangar. Imagine guiding a plane with a 222-foot wingspan through doors the size of a skyscraper face with only inches to spare. That requires precision tugs, ground crews trained to choreograph every turn, and a logistical network that hums like a living organism. Inside, thousands of tools, spare parts, and fuel lines flow through the hangar like arteries. Environmental controls keep temperature stable and humidity low because one small fluctuation could cost millions in damaged equipment. The hangar is equipped with some of the most advanced technology to maintain a stable environment. These systems work tirelessly to ensure that the aircraft are always ready for takeoff. This isn't just a hangar, it's a citadel, a nerve center for national defense. From here, fleets can be repaired, refitted, and redeployed in record time. Every aircraft inside represents a slice of America's ability to project power anywhere on Earth, whether in the Pacific, Europe, or the Middle East. Security here is layered and relentless. While details remain classified, you can be certain this facility is guarded as fiercely as the assets it protects. But the story doesn't end here. As drones grow larger, stealth technology advances, and sixth-generation fighters emerge, the hangars of tomorrow will have to evolve too. We're talking automated maintenance driven by AI, robotic arms swapping parts in minutes, and climate systems tuned with surgical precision. Tomorrow's air power won't just be about the aircraft, but about the hidden infrastructures that sustain them. This colossal hangar isn't just steel and concrete, it's a symbol, a reminder that behind every mission, every flight, and every projection of power, there stands a fortress built to house the wings of the future. These aircraft aren't just machines, they're instruments of national power, each with a mission as vital as the sky it conquers. And as long as these hangars stand, the United States' dominance in the skies remains secure. The B-2 Spirit, often called the stealth bomber, is one of the coolest aircraft ever made. But what makes it so special? Its flying wing design and radar-absorbing materials make it incredibly difficult to detect on radar, earning it the nickname the Invisible Fortress. This is important because it allows the B-2 to penetrate enemy airspace undetected and deliver its payload with surgical precision. The B-2 has a maximum range of 31,000 miles, which means it can fly from the United States to any country in the world without refueling. It also has a maximum takeoff weight of 197,900 pounds, which means it can carry a lot of firepower. The B-2 is a crucial part of the United States nuclear arsenal, and is one of only 2 aircraft that can perform the nuclear triad, meaning it can be deployed from a submarine, a land base, and the air to deter nuclear attacks from potential enemies. The C-5 Galaxy is a strategic airlift aircraft that's been in service since 1968. It was designed to transport large amounts of cargo over long distances, and it's the largest aircraft in the US Air Force. The C-5 has a maximum range of 3,600 nautical miles and a maximum takeoff weight of 800,000 pounds. It's powered by 8 Pratt & Whitney TF-33 engines, which give it the ability to fly up to 550 miles per hour. The C-5 has a cargo capacity of 336,000 pounds, which means it can carry a lot of supplies and equipment. It's also one of the most versatile aircraft in the Air Force because it can land on rough terrain and small airstrips. The C-5 is a vital part of the United States global logistics network, and it's been used in every major conflict since it entered service. The F-35 Joint Strike Fighter is a single-seat, single-engine fighter designed for both air superiority and ground support missions. It's been in service since 2016 and is the most advanced fighter in the world. The F-35 has a maximum range of 1,140 miles and a maximum takeoff weight of 59,000 pounds. It's powered by a single Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine, which gives it the ability to fly up to 1,130 miles per hour. The F-35 has a variety of weapons, including air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles, and joint direct attack munition-guided bombs. It also has advanced electronic warfare capabilities that allow it to operate in contested airspace. The F-35 is a key part of the United States defense strategy, and it's been deployed around the world. Tomorrow's hangars might look very different. They might be fully automated with robots doing the work of dozens of humans. But one thing is for sure, they will continue to be a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless drive to push the boundaries of what's possible. Because as long as there are humans on this planet, there will be a need for shelter and protection. And the hangar of the future will continue to serve that need in ways we can only imagine.